Your 20s, exciting, unpredictable, and full of life's first big choices. But what if I told you that a few wrong moves with your money today could cost you years of freedom tomorrow? Most people learn this the hard way, but today, you won't have to. Stick around as I reveal the 5 most common financial mistakes you must avoid in your 20s. Because building wealth isn't just for the privileged, it's for the prepared. Think about this. Would you rather hustle at 50 to pay off debts or sip chai on a beach, knowing you've secured your future? The decisions you make now, yes, right now, set the tone for your entire financial journey. Yet most 20-somethings are making mistakes that trap them in a cycle of stress and paycheck-to-paycheck living. Quick question. Have you ever bought something online only to regret it minutes later? Don't worry, we've all been there. But the mistakes I'm about to reveal are far worse than that one impulse buy. Overspending on lifestyle. First up, the lifestyle trap. You start earning and suddenly every weekend is a Zomato spree. Every paycheck disappears into new clothes, gadgets, and expensive experiences. Here's the truth. Lifestyle inflation feels good in the moment, but it keeps you broke long term. Instead of buying every trending item, prioritize your needs over wants. And speaking of wants, here's a mistake even the best of us fall into. 2. Avoiding investments. Number 2 is perhaps the sneakiest mistake. Avoiding investments because you think you'll figure it out later. Let me tell you something shocking. If you invest 5,000 rupees a month starting at 25, you'll have nearly 1 crore rupees by 60. But if you wait until you're 35, you'd have to invest twice as much to reach the same goal. Time isn't money. It's more valuable than money. But what happens when we take on too much too soon? That's mistake number 3. 3. Taking on unnecessary debt. Loans are a part of life, but in your 20s, unnecessary debt can cripple your financial freedom. From credit card bills to personal loans for luxuries, many end up drowning in debt that grows faster than they realize. Before you swipe that credit card, ask yourself, do I really need this? Or can I save and buy it later? Trust me, no one ever got rich by financing a 1,500 rupee coffee maker. 4. Ignoring emergency funds. Here's the 4th and often overlooked mistake. Ignoring an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Job losses, medical expenses, or surprise car repairs can wipe out your savings in an instant. Set aside 3 to 6 months of expenses. It's not glamorous, but it's your financial safety net. And once you've built that safety net, here's the final and perhaps most dangerous mistake. 5. Not setting financial goals. Finally, wandering through life without clear financial goals is like trying to drive to a new city without Google Maps. Whether it's saving for a house, starting a business, or retiring early, your goals give your money a purpose. Without them, you'll spend aimlessly and regret it later. But how do you make sure you stick to these goals? That's where discipline comes in, and I'll be covering that in an upcoming video. Stay tuned. Resolution, call to action. Your 20s are your foundation. Avoiding these 5 mistakes could be the difference between struggling and thriving. Remember, small changes today create massive results tomorrow. If this video gave you even one actionable insight, hit the like button. It's free, unlike bad financial decisions. And don't forget to subscribe to Wealthful Living for weekly tips to build your dream life. Together, we'll master money and create the future you deserve. Until next time, stay wealthful.